Tired of losing potential customers because they can't easily reach you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp button to your WordPress website in just a few simple steps so your visitors can connect with you instantly. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Chat. Look for a plugin like JoyChat or WhatsApp Chat by GetButton. Both are great options. Click Install Now next to your chosen plugin and then activate. Once activated, you'll usually find a new entry in your WordPress menu for the plugin. In this example, we will click on JoyChat. Now, enter your WhatsApp phone number, including the country code, in the designated field. Most plugins allow you to customize the button's appearance. You can change the color, position on the screen, and even add a custom message that appears when someone hovers over the button. Some plugins also allow you to set up a predefined welcome message. Is the first message your visitors will see, and they click the button. Use it to greet them and encourage them to ask questions. Finally, save your changes now. Visit your website to see the WhatsApp button in action. And that's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp button to your WordPress website, making it easier for your visitors to get in touch and boosting your engagement.